So finally, Nokia has done it. It's the first full view phone from Nokia. Hey guys, this is John, and today in this video, I'm gonna talk about the upcoming Nokia phone, Nokia 8 Sirocco. Actually, it's Nokia 8 2018 edition. It's probably gonna launch in India in 25 February. Its major specification and features has been confirmed and it's leaked already. It's coming with Android Oreo, dual SIM support, no headphone jack, obviously no headphone jack, it's 2018, so no headphone jack. Glassback design, which will be so cool. Snapdraon 835, 6GB or 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 12 megapixel and 30 megapixel dual lens camera with Carl-Zeiss optics, 5 megapixel front dual camera. It's coming with front dual camera, yes. 5.5 inch QHD resolution, 3D glass OLED display, and 3250 mAh battery, fingerprint scanner on the back, IP67 water resistant, even dust resistant. It's coming with Oreo. They still have bezels. It's 2018. Many phones are trying to low bezels. iPhone 10, they even got the notch. Huawei P20 even probably gonna get a little notch. Samsung Galaxy S8, everything are trying to do low bezel phone. Nokia 8. This is the first phone from Nokia which will be 80:9 display and low bezel. I think it will be a great phone. Let's see. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button.